The Poco F7 has finally arrived in 2025, and as expected, the F-Series remains a true performance powerhouse. But this time, Poco has pushed things even further. Not only does the F7 deliver impressive performance, but it also comes with major improvements in areas we had concerns about in previous models. Let's start with the box. As usual, it follows the signature yellow and black theme. Bright, bold, and clearly aimed at the youth. Inside, you'll find a SIM ejector tool, basic documentation, and a gray opaque case. Decent quality, though I do wish they had included a clear one. Then comes the 90 West fast charger and a USB to USB-C cable. Now to the phone itself. This is a hefty device. It's got one of the biggest batteries Poco has ever packed, and it shows. If you like big phones, you're going to love this. The design is mirror finish, very flashy, especially in this color variant, though black and silver options are a bit more subtle. But yes, with a massive 7,550 milliamp hours battery, the phone does feel a bit heavy. Around 221 grams. You'll get used to it, though. Ports and buttons are standard. SIM tray, microphone, USB-C, speaker grill, power button, volume rocker, and even an IR blaster. There's also good news. The F7 now has better protection. It features a glass metal sandwich design with Gorilla Glass 7i on both front and back. It even has IP68/69 certification, so you won't have to worry too much about water or dust. The display is massive. A 6.83-inch AMOLED panel with 120 Hz refresh rate. It supports HDR Dolby Vision and reaches up to 3,200 nits peak brightness. The bezels are incredibly thin, offering a nearly full-screen experience. Media consumption, absolutely amazing. Netflix, YouTube, you name it, you're going to love watching content on this screen. And yes, it has stereo speakers. Sound quality is okay. Not the loudest, but acceptable. Battery life is fantastic. Minus 7,550 milliamp hours means you can easily get 2 days of usage with regular use. And thanks to the 90W charger, you can go from 0 to 100% in under 52 minutes. Plus, there's reverse wired charging too, so you can even top up other devices. Now let's talk about performance. The core of the F7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 South Gen 3 chip. It scored over 2.1 million on Antutu, which is outstanding. You can play Call of Duty Mobile at though BGMI is still capped at 90 FPS. An update might unlock higher rates soon. The thermals are well managed with a 6,000 square millimeters 3D ice loop cooling. During extended gaming sessions, it reached about 43 degrees Celsius. Slightly warm, but under control. Storage and RAM are top-notch. 12 gigabytes LPDDR5X RAM and 256 gigabytes UFS 4.1 storage. And that's just a base variant. There are some pre-installed apps, but most can be uninstalled. This is common across brands, and many users actually prefer a slightly lower price with a few bloatware apps included. Onto the cameras. Minus 50MP, Sony IMX882, primary 8MP, ultra-wide and 2OMP self. Photography is decent in good lighting conditions. 4K video recording is supported on the main sensor, but ultra-wide and selfie are limited to 108 OPA. Features help enhance your photos. You get AI eraser, reflection remover, expansion, and more. Don't expect flagship-level photos, but the performance is solid for the price. Security-wise, there's an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Both work well. Connectivity is great. Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, IR blaster, everything is covered. Overall, The Poco F7 is a beast. Massive battery, amazing display, and top-tier performance. It may be slightly heavy, but it's durable, stylish, and if you're looking for a phone under $30,000, this is easily one of the best you can get in 2025. And before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful or interesting, make sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel AI Pro Tech for more updates and honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.